we have to get the winch. Good morning. Today we're going to be installing some bumpers on a 2022 Willie from Ironman. We're going to start with the front bumper here. See how difficult it's going to be. We're going to take off the original front bumper. If anybody's interested, you should watch this video and you want to buy the bumper, send me a message in the comments and we'll go ahead and talk about pricing. First thing we're going to do is pop out the inner piece here, one of the pull-outs. Just get your pull-out and we'll go ahead and see how hard it is to take it out.
That's gonna be a pain in the butt. Yeah, pop the centerpiece out before you. You're on the paint. You're on the paint.
There's 4 of them you gotta take off. There's 3 on each side, so that's 6.
There's 2 more.
There's 2. There's 1 here, 1 here. And I guess there's 1 here and 1 there, so okay, that's 8. Okay. Now we gotta take out the bottom splash guard, which are 13mm bolts. So I'll go ahead and remove that. Once you take the bottom plastic piece off, you gotta take out the 4 bolts. There's 1 on this side, 1 on this side. Same thing on the other side, passenger side. And the bumper, disconnect the lights. There's a light switch on the other side there. And you should be able to disconnect it and get it off. Alright, so we got the bumper off so you can see. There's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side. You want to take them off, leave them kind of dangling inside the bumper itself. There were some bolts, and then you pull it straight out. Everything else will stay on here for now. Let's look at the other bumper and see how we're going to install it. You can see this is a pain in the ass to install. Go on YouTube and watch a video. Not my video, but somebody else's. Nope. It has a lot of bolts and stuff you have to insert and put in there and everything else. Hold on. Well, okay, we are completed. This is what the Ironman 4x4 bumper looks like. And we have to get the winch. The winch actually goes hidden inside here. The winch plate goes here. The rope. And these holes here are actually for levering, activating the winch depending on if you put it on the left side or right side. And yeah, that's it. Everything is done and completed. Hope you like it.